This is a Solidworks quick tip. As you're seeing, I have a clamp to a table. This is the real clamp. And essentially all we're going to do is lead screw or thread and have it to be engaging with the screw advance made in Solidworks. We're seeing the part right here. Instead of doing that, we're going to go directly to the one here. You see how it spins on the handle, and it also has a limit, so it gets there. The way that this is done is on your screw. There is a simple axis, so you know how to create that. I'm not going to walk you through it. And then on the mating piece here, I actually just made a concentric hole right there. Once I set them both up one to the other, then I actually rotate the screw so that the thread aligns. I go ahead in the mates and edit. Inside of the mates section, you put both of them. You go to mechanical mates, you put screw, and you put your distance per revolution, and this is what is your thread. So if it's 16 threads per inch, it's 1 divided by 16. And so I put that there, matches, and one of the things that you should consider checking, and let me put it on the mate here, is that your threads correctly behave as they should. So when I take the cross section, my threads are fine. As they move, my threads are still fine. If you want to, you do the refresh, check that out, and that is it. And this is where it goes on the mate on there, and it goes to the extreme there. The advanced mate, it needs to get changed by a little bit here. Yep, that's it. And then if you do it with those two, you don't have to worry about the thread features because you don't actually physically need a thread in order to do this. Back to work.